This video explains how to record transactions for a Shopify business, whether you're running a dropshipping model or managing your own inventory in QuickBooks Online. Typically, we rely on the totals from the Shopify Sales Over Time report, often grouped by week or a few days. However, the details behind each transaction can be unclear. This video series will walk you through common scenarios, helping Shopify business owners and bookkeepers accurately record journal entries in QuickBooks Online.
Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel, Remote Office Mate. I am Francis Labang. This is the sixth video in the series of Shopify sales transactions and QuickBooks Online. On the previous video, we record the sales transactions for PayPal. Now for today's video is all about Amazon. So come on, let's go to QuickBooks Online. So now we are in QuickBooks Online. In the previous video, we left this balance sheet. We have already inventory here and the cash, and here is the income. So let's go to profit and loss. In the profit and loss, we already have recorded the sales revenue for PayPal, the sales revenue for Shopify, and the sales revenue for Stripe. The same thing with the cost of goods sold, PayPal, Shopify, and Stripe. And these are the expenses and the shipping incomes. So now let's go and record the sales transactions for Amazon. So first, let's go to chart of account. Click here. Then let's copy this one, paste it here. So this is an income. And here, this is a sales of product. Let's click here and look for the sale. There you have it. You have it already. Sales of product income. So save and close. Let's check that first. Sales. Yeah. So next is the shipping income. Click new again. Then click here. Paste it here. And let's type first here shipping. There you have it. Other income and miscellaneous. So click new. Then paste it here. And then other income. So click here. Since all of this account is not fit to shipping income, I just use the other miscellaneous income. There you have it. Then save and close. The tax is already done. And this one, let's first type fees. So click new. Then copy this one. Paste it here. Expense. And here, we use also the other miscellaneous service income. And then click here. Let's go down. And there you go, this one. So other business expense. So save and close. Let's add new again. This one, same account, same details here. Expense, and this is other miscellaneous, and here then we still have, yeah, save and close. Now let's go to invoice. Click here and invoice. There you have it. Then let's copy this one. Let's name the customer Shopify clearing dash Amazon. Then save. And let's change the date here to January, let's say January 20. Then here, since this is a drop shipping business, let's click here. Then add bill, add new. Then copy this one. As you can see, same name in the chart of account and also here in inventory records. So click here. This is non-inventory item. Then here, let's categorize this as Amazon. And save. And here, let's go for Amazon, this one. Then, you see, there are same wording. Sales revenue Amazon, sales revenue Amazon. So, save and close. So, the amount is $100. So, next, add new again. And this is and here is non-inventory items again. So we just leave it because we did not refresh. That's why we cannot see the Amazon here. It's just okay. Then here is the fee. Amazon, this one. Then save and close. Let's delete this one. I think we set up this as an fees. It should be shipping income. So let's go back to chart of account. Leave without saving. And then now let's go to product and services because I made mistake there. I put fees instead of shipping income. This one, product and services. And then let's go to shipping income Amazon. This one, edit it. And this one, we made mistake here. This should be shipping. This one, shipping income. So save and close. Wait, Amazon. Save and close. Now let's go to invoice again. Let's go to Amazon and the date is January 20. January 20, there you go. Then here is revenue, it's 100. And here is the shipping. This one. And it's $10. And here, add new. This is a Shopify fees, Amazon, Amazon. And this is non-inventory item. Now here is the fee Amazon. So save and close. There you have it. The amount is, this is wrong. This should be, for example, let's just say 12 $12. So this could be the one. So $12 negative $12. Let's delete this one rather. We will not include this one. So that's it. That's only the transaction that we have. It should be 106. I forgot the tax. This one tax and then is 8.25. So you have it now, 106.25. So save and close. Now let's go to balance sheet, refresh. Here we go. We going have one line items for Amazon. Refresh. First we will add customer, and then also the report is aging AR. Let's go back here first. There you have it. We have account receivable of 106 and sales tax payable of 825. Here in the profit and loss, there you have it. We have now the Amazon of $100. And here we have one line items for Amazon 106. Same thing with here. We click this one, Amazon. There you have it. We have one open items amounting to 106. Same thing with the overdue. So next So Amazon charge us monthly fee. So let's say this one, the entry is this one. It's only 50 cent. So let's go here, bill. So I decided to separate this Amazon monthly bill from clearing account. So let's go here. Let's add new supplier, and we call this Amazon Shopify. That's Amazon. This is for the monthly bill. Save and close. And here, click here. Then Amazon. This one. Amazon fee expense. And then this is a only 50 cent, 0.5. So save and close. Let's go back to balance sheet. Refresh. Also here in the profit and loss. Here, nothing happened here. Same thing with here. But let's go to customer, vendor. So we are now in balance sheet. Let's go down. Accounts payable. There you have it. This one. And here we have Amazon fees. Here. This one, Amazon fee, monthly subscription. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. And here we have new supplier. Is the Amazon. We have one line item here. This one. Let's add one more report. For Amazon. Aging AP. There you have it. This one. So we already record this one. So we will record the cost of goods sold. So click here, bill. So click here, supplier. Let's just say this is the same date in the revenue, but this is not always the case. So let's delete this one. And here, let's type new cost of goods sold. This will reflect here in the profit and loss, uh, Amazon here. So COGS, cost of goods sold, then Amazon. So this is a cost of goods sold, and here sale material, and here cost of goods sold. There you have it. And save and close. Amazon. The amount is $40. So save and close. Let's go to balance sheet. This will add $40. Refresh here in the profit and loss. We will have new line items here for the Amazon. Refresh. Nothing happened here. And here, yeah, this is for customer. Nothing happened here because we record for the vendor side. Here, this one. Let's refresh first this one, and here we have two line items here. One is for Amazon. This one is for the billing, and one is the cost of goods sold. Refresh. So let's go back to balance sheet. The accounts payable, there you have it. And here in the profit and loss, now we have now we have new line item for Amazon, cost of goods sold. Nothing happened here. Same thing with here. And here, let's click here. This one already have here. Amazon, two line items. We have one line. We have one items for $40. Same thing with overdue. The cost of it because of here. There you have it. We have two line items for this one and this one. Two line items. One is for billing, monthly bill for Amazon, and one is for the supplier. So now let's record the payout. The payout will be, this is wrong amount, 106.25. So let's go here, receive payment, this one. So here, let's go to Amazon, and the date, let's say the same date. There you go, 106.25. Save and close. So here in the balance sheet, this will become 0, and here we will add the 106.25 here. We still have it here because we haven't paid it yet. Nothing happened here because the transactions is more on the balance sheet. This one, it becomes 0. Refresh. Here, this will become 0 as well. Refresh. Nothing happened here. The same thing with here. Because the transactions is about customer. There you have it. We have now the new line items in the balance sheet, in the profit and loss. The cost of goods sold for Amazon. And here, no more line items. The same thing with here is 0. Now let's go to paying all these two accounts as well as the tax. So here I forgot to include the paying this one. Check, and then the amount is 40. So this is the monthly fee, and this is the cost of goods sold. So let's pay with that. Let's go here, pay bill. There you have it. We have two line items. This one, and we are going to pay that one. Let's change this one and the date. January, let's say January 21. Let's pay this together, but in real world, we have to pay it individually. So, save and close. Now here, in the balance sheet, this will become 0, and here, less 40. So, it will become 15,730. No, 29 point something. So, refresh. And here, nothing happened here. It's already 0, 0. And this one, and also here, this one, will become, it's already 0, because we already deposit it. And here, we still have it here. If you refresh that one, no more line items for aging. There you have it. Now we are going to pay the tax. This one, the tax. So click here, expense, and here, tax. There you have it. And this, the amount is 8.25. Let's check first here in the balance sheet. There you have it. This one, where is it? 8.25. So save and close. So in the balance sheet, it will become 0. Here in the profit and loss, nothing happened here. Same thing with here. Same thing with here. Here the tax, this will become 0 again. Yeah, because we already posted it. Nothing happened here as well. So here in the balance sheet, so let's go down to accounts payable. So we have 0 accounts payable already. So everything is clean. The AP aging is clean. The expenses, the vendor rather, is also clean. Customer is also clean. AR aging is clean. Profit and loss is properly recorded. And same thing with the balance sheet. So that's it for today's video. If you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and make some comments or any suggestion or any questions. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye!